Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off data saver on your account on Snapchat. Easy and quick. First, after you click on your profile icon, click on the settings icon here, and now go data saver, and here just click like this, and it will be turned off. And that's how to turn off data saver on your account on Snapchat. Easy and quick, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.